I invite you on a journey of further quantum entanglement. I invite you on a journey into the far recesses of our past, where ancient civilizations held sway and dominion upon space station number 33. I invite you on this journey to deepen our quantum entanglement as we embrace the ancient civilizations that have appeared to have tapped into the information field, the implicate order that underlies the material structures of the universe. Those ancient civilizations that read the living heart of the cosmos. A journey of further quantum entanglement into that informational field that must still exist. And because we all share the same deep structure, African unconscious, it implicitly exists in all of us. It is the holographic implicate order of nature and exists in every folding crevice and consciousness of the cosmos. It is the 0-point energy field of the vacuum below the quantum field first explored by Dr. David Bohm in his quantum physics works in the book, specifically Causality and Chance in Modern Physics, and later expanded in Wholeness and the Implicate Order. Where there are no absolute separations between objects, energies, and forms, including the forms of consciousness, we know and that live in the quiet heart of every mind of every New Earth citizen. Dear esteemed viewer, on the 5D Earth of the New Earth consciousness of spiritualized, divinized matter, of your New Earth ego, we recognize that our true power lies in the alignment of our thoughts, words, and actions. We recognize that integrity and authenticity become the pillars upon which we build our lives. We live with a profound sense of purpose, recognizing that every choice we make contributes to the tapestry of the collective consciousness, of the unity consciousness. By living in alignment with our values and expressing our true selves, we inspire others to do the same, rippling, creating a ripple effect of positive transformation, creating a ripple effect of building heaven upon earth, creating a ripple effect of spiritualized, divinized matter that brings everyone into balance and helps us to release our judgments, because judgment, by releasing our judgment, we enter into the gateway to unity consciousness. If you agree, please hit the subscribe button and leave this video a thumbs up. Namaste, namaskaram.